In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use PropWire. So in order to use PropWire, you just need to head over to their actual website, which is propwire.com. Once you're in there, next thing you need to do is click on the sign up or login option, depending on whether you already have an account or you don't have one yet. On my case, I already have one or I don't have one, so let me head over and then just answer this captcha and proceed to sign up. Once the verification has been enabled, you can proceed to register by adding your name as well as your email, or you can also continue with Google. I'll hover and continue with my Google right there. In here, you can see my actual PropWire. Now, in order to do this, just need to search for a specific city. So, for example, let's search in here for New York, and then just right here the place that you want. And once you have searched for it, it can show you right here all of the real estate properties that you can get. We also have in here their pins onto this part, as well as the descriptions like multifamily, corporate owned, trust owned, individual owned, and the likes. You can find right here all of the things that you want. So for example, we want to reach out to this, just head over and click on this particular listing. From in there, you can see this. You can see how the actual place looks like, and you can find it directly from in here and go to the next property if you would want. On my case, I have in here this. Just head over, click on this contact owner, get funding, or also add it to your list that you want to purchase. They also have other quadruplex units that you can get. You can find in here descriptions about the owner, as well as the actual comps, history, and market value for this particular property. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out.